Hey Byakuya, what's the deal with airline food?
Stop wasting my time with your silly games, Kagichi.
Ha! Classic Kikichi. Always an idiot.
I'm right here, Nagito.
Wait, what the f? You are? How'd you get in my house?
The door is unlocked, idiot.
Plus, it's not even your house, it's the college dorm room.
That does make sense. But why are you guys going to college? You're famous comedians.
Well, after a weird high school experience, I figured I'd see what normal college is like.
Were you also teleported to another dimension when you visited a school?
Yes?
Enough of all this boring crap. We don't have any food. Stop getting acquainted with each other like good people and buy me a microwave and potatoes.
Why
potatoes?
potatoes?
I've had an addiction to potatoes recently and wanted to see what happens if you microwave them.
Understandable, potatoes are pretty good.
Okay, we're at the store, now don't make me have to look after you every 2 seconds.
Ooh, look at that shiny thing.
What? Where?
This thing is perfect for microwaving all the potatoes you could want.
It's a f***ing metal bowl.
Not just any metal bowl. It's a potato bowl.
We're not buying a metal bowl.
I
I don't know how this happened.
I don't know either, but I'm not complaining.
We got a fucking metal bowl. Plop the potatoes inside. Put the potato bowl inside the microwave. Why is the microwave making weird noises?
You put metal in a microwave, idiot.